Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, outside temperature gauge, navigation system, leather upholstery. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.